Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is gonna be one of my last videos to my summertime fling series, and what better way to end the summer with doing the collaboration. And I am doing a collaboration with Miss Marinette, and y'all, she is all the way from Europe, and we connected through YouTube, and she does all different type of makeup looks on there. And when y'all are finished watching my video, y'all be sure to go check her out. I will leave her Instagram and her YouTube in the description box below so y'all can see what type of look that she coming with. And y'all, I am going to be using this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette that I showed y'all in my AliExpress haul video, and I will link that video in here too. And you know, I had ordered this like in June, I want to say, and I just got it like at the beginning of September. So yeah, what better way to end the summer than to use this palette right here. And y'all, look, I just want y'all to see this palette. Look how pretty this palette is. And I'm also going to be using like a full face of the Believe Beauty Cosmetics that I showed y'all in the Dollar General haul video. I will link that video too. And I am also going to be showing y'all a new wig that I just recently got from AC Hair. So this video is partly sponsored by them today, and I'm gonna be showing y'all all this good stuff, so y'all just gotta stay tuned to see how everything turns out. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. And if y'all are wondering where I got these lashes from, I got these lashes from Wish, and they are in the style SD11. And I will link the price and everything in the description box below. And about this hair, y'all, this hair is from AC Hair, and you know they are a company on Amazon, and I have reviewed another wig by them also, but that wig that I reviewed before is way better than this wig that I have on now. This is not really a wig review, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all about this wig right here. It tangles a lot, real bad. It tangles so bad, like I was having trouble just combing it and everything, and I just did not like it. I really like the style of this wig, and I like the color. I do like it that it's a natural color, but y'all, you do not want to go through all of that combing and everything. And it's pretty long too. I'm gonna show y'all the length of it. It comes down to my waistline, and I am 5'7", by the way, for those who want to know, just in case of you are thinking about purchasing this wig. I do appreciate them for sending me this wig. I appreciate that, but I just don't like how much trouble I had with it. But y'all, besides all that, let me know what y'all think about this summertime look I created. I finally got to use my Beauty Glazed palette, and as y'all right here, and it kind of matches my shirt. Y'all see that? It matches my shirt. But I did throw in some yellow. I'm gonna show y'all. And I tried to do a little shimmer too, but it mostly came out as a matte look. But overall, I like it. And this lip bead, I used this. It's velvet matte liquid lipstick, and it is in the color hot pink, and it's spelled H-A-U-T-E. I like the way they spelled it. And I actually use, let me find it. It must be in the other bag. Yep. And I actually use this metallic liquid eyeliner as a lip liner, and it is in the color Midnight in Paris. So I combined these two to get this lip color right here. And y'all, don't forget to head over to Marinette's channel to see what type of look that she came up with. And when y'all go over there, y'all be sure to tell her that August sent you over there. So y'all go show her some love and tell her that I sent y'all. And y'all need to go see what kind of look she came up with. And that is it for this video. Even though this hair didn't turn out so good, I still like how it all came together. But that is it, y'all. And pretty soon we're going to be into the fall season. And I got another haul coming up for y'all too. But it's going to be a fall decor haul, so y'all be ready for that. And I'm going to be coming up with another fall makeup look, so y'all just stay tuned for all of that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.